What's the meaning of alleyway? Alleyway. 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 Alleyway.
Alleyway refers to a narrow passage or way between buildings, typically located in a city or town. These pathways are often used by pedestrians and can vary in length and width. They are often associated with urban environments, such as in the inner city or in historic districts, and can be used for a variety of purposes, including transportation, commerce, and recreation. Despite their narrow size, alleyways have often been considered important parts of urban landscapes and have featured in many works of literature, film, and art.